Hey guys, I'm gonna be singing or rapping Payphone, but I usually don't bring up a side, so yeah, please subscribe and comment on my videos. Here we go. I'm at a payphone trying to call home, all my change I spent on you. Where the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And all the time that you wasted, all of our bridges burnt down. You've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home, all of my change I spent on you. Where the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all the fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you love like tomorrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, you don't expect me to care. And I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my night, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home, all of my change I spent on you. Where have the time gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans you made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all the fairy tales are full of it. One more freaking love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone, man, fuck that it. I'll be off spending my money while you sit around wondering, isn't it you come up before nothing, sitting around when I'm still studying. All of the cards we made up, pushing back, tell me your chances that blew up, whatever I called it. Search the name on my phone, say you can't ever call it. Need my name, show it, you can't believe it. Not pick. Really had a good time, but you came up, but you lost my shot. See you talk about it, go, get to the top. Still, plan out, pull stuff. Now I'm in a payphone trying to call home. All of my change just spent on you. Where the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all the fairy tales are full of it. One more freaking love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Hope you like it, man. Like I said, I'm not that good at rapping, so I didn't do that very good at the rapping part, so please subscribe and comment on my videos and like them. See ya.